If you don't understand Chinese, you can use Chrome's translation. Top navigation bar to find download. Pull the bottom download application. Select the location you want to download. Place the file in the v2ray directory and double-click to run. Then find the vmess link in the forum and copy it to the clipboard. In the taskbar, find the program icon, right-click, import the vmess link. Right-click on the node and set as active server. Then enable the system proxy service. You can now visit google.com.